Hey, what's going on, guys? Argent Wolf here. It's reacting to the EAS wolf scenario, like werewolves. All right, let's do it. Hello and welcome to the wolf scenario. Oh, it's right behind me. Oh my god, the voice and the sounds. And yeah, I'm uploading that video called I'm doing requests today. So I want to comment down below what do you guys want me to do. This is for Rainbow Dash Gaming. Let's get started, shall we? Rainbow Dash Gaming. Wow. It's from My Little Pony. What the hell? McCafe! Nah, just kidding. McCafe! Do I seriously have to watch it? Existed in 19 whatever. I'm loving Alpha.
Transmitted by the Rosenberg Police Department and the Fort Bend County Sheriff's Office around 1:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A high intensity of 911 calls have been reported throughout Fort Bend County. These reports are sightings of green werewolves throughout Fort Bend.
Green werewolves?
At this time, it isn't known if these werewolves are hostile, but at this time, the Fort Bend State Police is advising all residents in the county to not approach the werewolves and to lock all doors and windows. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Rosenberg area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to your local area now. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Okay, guys, I gotta leave. Nah, just kidding. Okay, let's go. Better not be jump scares, because last time my Sonic got hit. The next. They had the voice there. Next day.
At the request of the Fort Bend County Sheriff's Office, this is a local area emergency. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message around 2:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Major cities around Fort Bend County have been reporting that the werewolves mentioned in the earlier alert is hostile.
Oh, crap.
Approximately 50 people have been injured at this time by the werewolves. At this time, the Fort Bend County Sheriff's Office advises all residents in Fort Bend County to shelter in place at this time. To shelter in place.
You mean local area emergency. Send the other one.
Go into a room with no windows and put as many objects between you and the interior wall. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Rosenberg area. If you are not in this local area, tune to your local area now.
That happens at night. Oh, hell no. Yeah, it's the next day. Shelter in place. It's really quiet. This message is regarding the situation with the werewolf incident 3 days ago. This is a statewide emergency. Around 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Major cities around Texas are reporting that... Wait, I live there! Oh my god, it's happening to me! Ah! At this time, all citizens... Guys, I seriously need to go to lockdown already. ...return to their homes. We are now reporting that major groups of werewolves are attacking civilians in major centers of population. Oh, crap. At this time, all citizens are being asked to remain indoors and to not leave their home unless directed by their local authorities. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.
3 days later.
Yeah, 3 days later.
At the request of the United States government and the United States Department of Self-Defense. Please stand by for an update for your local area. This message is at the request of the United States Department of Self-Defense and the United States military. Major centers of population is being attacked by werewolves at this time. The United States government is urging all citizens receiving this broadcast to lock all doors and windows and to stay indoors at this time. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. Currently, all normal programming has been discontinued due to a national emergency. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas.
Wow. Okay. Something up next on Cartoon Network.
You are listening to the emergency alert.
Hi, you didn't get me.
Rosenberg, Texas area.
Oh my god, they're invading my house. Oh my god, guys, he's right next to me. Nah, just kidding. 1 hour later. Are they Terminator or something? No, they're not. Come on. Emergency action. Notification.
We interrupt all programming at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has found that the werewolves are apparently from a Chinese descent. It is believed, but that has not been confirmed United States are to remain indoors and to lock all doors and windows. You are advised to shelter in place at this time. To shelter in place, do the following. Lock all doors and windows. Go to a basement or a closet or an interior room with no windows. Get a battery-powered radio.
I'm standing right next to my window. Seriously, I am.
For more information on this developing situation. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems.
South Transference is emergency in action, not a show.
Emergency.
Most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information for the public in assigned areas. Listen to the emergency alert system. Blah, whatever.
The emergency alert system
Has been activated to keep you informed. Yeah. Okay, an hour later. Please no jump scare. I don't like jump scares. Emergency action notification still. Oh my god.
Interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. The following message.
Wait, do I hear a nuke sound? Oh crap, something went wrong. Something went wrong. Oh my god. The whole whoops attacking the whole city, yes.
This message is a
Jesus Christ.
United States Department of Homeland Security and the United States government. The North American Aerospace Defense Command radar has detected 21 Chinese nuclear missiles heading towards the United States.
What?
This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. These missiles are expected to hit the following locations within the next 45 minutes. New York, Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, San Antonio, Texas, San Diego, California.
Well, fuck, I'm really
Texas,
fucked.
San Jose, California, Austin, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, San Francisco, California, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Worth, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Charlotte, North Carolina, Seattle, Washington, Denver, Colorado, Washington, District of Columbia, Boston, Massachusetts.
What the hell? I'm gonna die, people!
If no such
Jesus!
exists in your area, get into a basement or interior room or on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Place as much mass and distance between you and the interior wall. Bring a battery-powered radio for news and updates and news for your stay in the shelter. Do not leave your shelter unless directed to by your local or port of authorities. Otherwise, you may be exposing yourself to dangerous and potentially dangerous radioactive fallout. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout may lead to certain death. It will only take a minute after impact for fallout to spread. Please stand by for further information.
Huh. Crap! I'm gonna die, people! I gotta leave!
Listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcasting.
I'm gonna leave the house. Come on.
Emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information in assigned areas. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Rosenberg, Texas area.
Oh, come on, I'm gonna die!
Please tune to your local area now. President Trump will speak on
Fuck up!
shortly. Please listen to the message.
What the hell? 35 minutes later, the U.S. responded with 45 nuclear missiles, which causes massive death and probably started WWIII. So that scenario was done. So, what the hell happened? Give me more ideas and I will do them. Yes, I just did. Comment down below. What do you guys want me to do? Anyway, guys, hope you liked that. But make sure to subscribe, comment down below. What do you guys want me to do next? And I'm going to be making more videos after this. Bye, you bros.